Google has 13.7 billion searches every day compared to other search engines and also captures 90% of the total market share. When you Google something, you're not just searching, you're stepping into one of the most iconic business empire in the internet history. This empire was built by two students of Stanford University, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, with a common goal of combining world's information and making it universally accessible. Sounds simple, right? But what they did next changed everything. This is not just about the search engine. This is a masterclass in product design, habit creation, and trust building. Back then in 90s, Yahoo was considered to be one of the most powerful search engine. But later Google came up with something that became the greatest nightmare of Yahoo. Back then Yahoo started listing websites manually, but Google came up with something called PageRank, where they prioritized listing the website based on relevance, authoritativeness. Google focused on two major factors: trustworthiness and user experience. And this is how they started building trust among their users. And then Google came up with a move that completely changed the game for Google. They launched AdWords, but now it is called as Google Ads. Back on those days, while other search engines like Yahoo were busy flaunting spammy ads and banners on their websites, Google had a vision and they kept it very simple. Google's pages were not filled with spammy ads and banners like other search engines. They kept it very simple. They showed ads, but only the relevant one. Yeah, the ads would show to a user only if they make a certain query or certain searches related to that topic. And this is how Google outsmart the rest of the competitors. And this simple move by Google built a multi-billion-dollar revenue engine without degrading the user experience. But Google wasn't done here. In 2004, they launched Gmail. In 2005, Google launched Google Maps, and in the same year, they bought Android for $50 million. And in 2006, Google beat Yahoo and Microsoft to acquire YouTube for $1.6 billion. Most of the tools and products of Google are free, but let me tell you something. Google is not just building products, they are building habit-forming products.